what about AI? Yes, you can use AI, especially in the early stages of writing. So there are a couple of things that are, generally speaking, acceptable that you can do. You can use it for brainstorming, for generating key terms. Personally, I like to use it for the literature review. There are lots of tools you can use here. I often hear from participants for the editing stage that they like to use Grammarly to fix their sentences. So all of these things are generally considered fine. There is a caveat though. If you're overly reliant on AI, you do run the risk of losing your own voice. As for the argument, I would suggest not to use it because this is a critical level thinking skill. It's a higher cognitive skill, and that's something you as a researcher should not outsource to AI. So that's the caveat. That's what I would say. Use it responsibly.